Hello friends, today I am here to explain you one important aspect which is called as how to come out of self-created suffering. There is a lot of suffering in our life. We worry here and there because of many reasons. If you try to understand them, most of them are self-created. They are not created by others. We think that they are created by others. They are created by situations, but not. The truth is, most of the suffering, 99% of suffering is created out of our own thinking pattern. Then how to come out of it? The main important reason behind this suffering is energy. If you are not enough energetic, whatever the situation comes upon on your path, on your way, in your life, you will fear, you will worry, and suffering will be created because you are not enough energetic to face it. As long as you are not energetic, you will keep suffering in yourself. In your childhood, you might have understood, you might have worried very much about chocolate. Now you are not very much worried about the same chocolate. Why? Because you are not that much grown those days. You are very small kid mentally, and by every small thing, chocolate, biscuit, everything will create suffering in you. Similar way, car, bungalow, loss in the business, everything creates suffering because you are physically grown but spiritually not grown. From energy point of view, you are not yet grown. So if you wanted to come out of suffering, first try to do any one practice of meditation which will enhance your energy level so that you will become higher energetic person, and all small problems will not affect you. They will not go inside, they will be only outside. They may be there, but they will not influence you, they will not affect you. Another more important thing you have to do is the way you see, the perception. The perception is a problem. Many a times we will try to see most of the things as negative situations. Our situation is not negative situation. Our situation is not actually a problematic situation. There is problem in our way of thinking. We don't have right thinking patterns in our life, in our mind, because of which we'll try to see our situation as negative and our situation as problematic situation, and we create suffering and we stop ourselves. So try to enhance your wisdom. Try to understand the things correctly. Try to see the things correctly. Perceive the things properly. Then that perception will give you another good idea so that you will come out of it, so that you will be able to see it positively and gain great things out of a particular situation. To understand or to improve your perception level, you have to go through the great books written by many great masters. There are many great masters in this world. As you already know, one of the person is Dr. Deepak Chopra, Van Der. There are many great people like this, Osho Rajneesh. If you can read this kind of people's books, the perception will change, and naturally the way you see the things will change, and there will be no suffering. Suffering created out of low energetic mindset and suffering created because of wrong perception will go away. So my dear friends, let us practice these two. Let us practice meditation as much as possible and change our perception by reading books and listening to great people, and out of which you will not be having any suffering which is created by yourself. There may be challenges in your life, but there may not be suffering. So thank you very much. Practice these two things till then. If you like this idea, like the video and share to your friends. Thank you very much.